Instagram enable to load images from gallery problem. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps and then go to Instagram app. If you didn't find it, go to the search bar, search for Instagram and click on it. After that, click here on force stop, go down, click on the data usage, scroll down, turn off the background data and the roaming data, and then enable them again and make sure that all the options are enabled. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Now turn off your phone or restart it and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.